This is converting decimals and percents, which is actually quite easy. If you want to convert a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. If you want to convert a percent to a decimal, you divide by 100. Simple as that. Just remember this. Here are a few examples. So this is obviously a decimal. If you want to convert this to a percent, well, to convert to a percent, you multiply by 100. So you're going to multiply this by 100. But you can, in this case, you can just actually move the decimal. So 2 times to the right. After you move the decimal 2 times to the right, you can put the percent sign, turning it into a percent. So that's how you turn it into, from this decimal to a percent. You just multiply by 100, which is just moving 2 times to the right. Well, what about this one down here? 78%. What if I want to convert this to a decimal? If I want to convert this to a decimal, percent to decimal, you divide by 100. So in here, we're going to divide by 100, which to make it easier, we can just move 2 times, not to the right, but to the left. Where's the decimal in this number? Remember, there's an imaginary decimal right here. You can just move 2 times to the left. 1, 2. So the decimal goes here, 0.78, and then take away the percent sign, and now it's a decimal. See? Not too bad. So to convert a decimal to a percent, you move the decimal 2 times to the right. To convert a percent to a decimal, you move the decimal 2 times to the left. Make sure you include the percent sign when making a percent, and make sure you erase the percent sign when turning it into a decimal.